Alright, I'm doing a review. Leaking capacitors, okay? I just pulled these out. Not checking out like I should. But anyway, what made me suspicious of these, see the brown stuff on them? See that big old chunk of brown stuff? Right about there. Take a screwdriver, maybe you can see better. Right about in there. It's leaking out the bottom. And what happened is it just bubbled out, went around the top, and a lot of people are mistaking this for glue. And you have a lot of people on Facebook, I'd seen something the other day, they may check out, but doesn't mean they're not leaking. Because one of these are not far off, but it's still checking out, but one of them doesn't register at all. But anyway, be careful who you listen to on Facebook, because there's a lot of know-it-alls that have never even messed with anything, and they'll tell you whether, whatever. But anyway, this is a leaky capacitor. See the damage? See the plastic even pulling away from it. It was leaking down out of there. And it's on a crusty. It's like a sandy looking crusty too. It's not glue. See that? That's not glue. Nasty old looking crusty stuff that just come down. It was on the board too. I scraped it off. But anyway, I'm going to show you what glue looks like so that you'll have a reference next time in case you want to mess with something. See that? That's glue. There's no comparison in the color. Of course, they're both, one of them's sort of like a blackish brown, and this here is a light black. It's almost, you can see through it almost. And you can tell because it's stretchy. The glue's kind of stretchy. It's not real crusty hard, but you can tell the color difference. And they glued this over here too. You can see this. This is not leaking. This is actually glue, because you can tell, because when you roll your finger on it, it actually moves and it's sticky. So that's glue. There's a guy on Facebook messaged something on there, and you had a bunch of know-it-alls come on there, and they said, well, yeah, that's not glue, that's not leaking, whatever. And I said, yeah, that's definitely not glue. I could tell it wasn't glue. He checked it, said it was checked out, but that doesn't mean they're not leaking. As you can tell, these, oh, that's an audio source, by the way. This is what it looks like. This is the look. That's what it looks like. We're going to turn around here so you can get a little bit wider view of it. It's getting noise coming through it. It still works and everything, it's just getting a bad noise coming through it, static and stuff. I thought it was my receiver, but it checked out to be this. But I pulled both of the two, and they're off the power supply side. So I would say that's my problem. So like and subscribe, and stick with me. Share my videos, and like I said, I'm a beginner, but I am definitely, this is my second thing that I've tore apart. I've got 2 receivers I got to do, and learn as we go. Thanks for watching.